Hello everyone. Today we are going to find the area of a triangle having the base is equal to 2 centimeter and height is equal to 3 centimeter. For solving this question, first of all we will find out what is given. So given is base. For base we are writing b which is having value 2. For height we are writing h which is having value 3. For finding the area of a triangle, then we are going to note down the formula. The formula will be a is equal to half into base into height. Then what will be the next step is we are going to substitute the value of b which is 2, substitute the value of h which is 3. Then after the calculation, what we have done, we got the value as 3 that will be stored or that will be noted as the area of a triangle. So how we are going to find the same method, same thing in your Python programming. For Python programming, what we have to do, first of all, we should know how to use the values, how to store the values in the variable. For example, the base was given, the base was stored in the variable in B. So that B is called as the variable in Python. H is also called the variable in Python. So whatever letters that were using for storing some value, so that letters were the letters are known as the variable. Now for writing the formula, what we are having a. Then we are having half. For half, we are what we are going to write half 1 by 2. And then we are having dot, that dot is replaced. That is nothing but the multiplication. For multiplication, we are having star sign, then we are having bracket. Within the bracket, we are having b into h. Now, what about the calculation? We are not going to show calculation here that we were doing while calculating the area of a triangle by using the pen and paper method. Here, the values will be calculated by the computer and which will be stored in name A. So, this name A is known as the variable name. So, variable A is having the value of your area of a triangle. So, how we will request Python program to display that value which is present in variable A, which is stored in computer's memory. For requesting to anything to display on the screen or to get anything which is present in the value in the variable in Python programming language, we are going to write the command which is called as the print. Whenever if the syntax of the print is correct, then we will see the shortcut method in which we are going to just press the enter key and we will get the exact format of typing the print command. So after that, what we are going to do, we are going to type the letter or the name of the variable in which the value store or that we want to display. So here I want to display the value of the area of a triangle which is present in name A, which is called as a variable A. So within this print statement under the braces, I'm going to write the variable name A. So this completes the program for finding the area of the triangle. But how to run, how to get the value, for getting the value to be displayed on the screen, I have to press on this run button. After clicking on the run button, what we are going to get here, we got here the value of your area. So after execution of this program, here we are going to have the list of the variables that were used uh, in your program. So we have used base B, which is of data type integer, which is declared by the Python programming by itself. No need to declare the data. We have just enter the value 3 and that is converted, that is assumed that value 3 is of data type integer. How many variables of integer here of name B is created? Only one. What was the value? Value 3. Then the variable h was created having the data type integer. And what was the value? Value was 2. And after the calculation, the variable a was created having the value 3.0. As this value is having decimal number, so that's why this variable a is called a float data type variable. So what is the floating point number of float data? The float data is the data in which the decimal number is present. So this is how we can calculate the area of a triangle using Python programming.